Before you even look at the spec sheet, the 2025 Aprilia RS 660 factory already tells you what kind of bike it is. It's not trying to overpower you, it's trying to connect with you. Power comes from a 659cc parallel twin engine, producing around 100 horsepower and 70 newton meters of torque. The numbers are strong, but the delivery is what stands out. Throttle response is smooth and linear, making the bike easy to control at low speeds while still pulling hard through the mid-range. It rewards precision rather than aggression. The factory badge matters here. Fully adjustable Öhlins suspension at the front and rear gives the RS 660 factory a noticeably sharper feel, especially when cornering at pace. The aluminum twin-spar frame keeps weight low and rigidity high, helping the bike feel planted without becoming stiff or unforgiving. Braking is handled by Brembo calipers paired with dual front discs, supported by cornering ABS. Stopping power is strong, consistent, and confidence-inspiring. Electronics are managed by a 6-axis IMU, unlocking traction control, wheelie control, engine braking adjustment, multiple ride modes, and a bi-directional quick shifter that works smoothly both on the street and on track. Despite its performance focus, the RS 660 factory remains surprisingly usable. With a wet weight under 185 kilograms and a riding position that balances sport and comfort, it's a bike you can realistically ride every day. The RS 660 factory doesn't chase extremes. Instead, it focuses on balance, feel, and rider confidence. And that approach is exactly what makes it stand out in the middleweight sport segment.